yes.
Exactly.
So it's entertainment, dining,
entertainment,
and food
yeah.
together.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
So originally, sorry, come on,
Yes.
let's speak. Where do
Picture,
you come from?
picture.
Which country do you come from?
Oh my God. We need to finish.
So yeah, so which country? Oh, one more picture right on the
Yes,
front.
yes.
All right. So which country do
my
you come
God.
from?
From South Africa.
From South Africa. Yes. Waka waka eh.
Hey.
Yeah. All right. Those same questions. How long you been working with Princess for now?
Actually, 23 years.
Wow.
23 years.
That's his age. Look at that. 23 years.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
give another
Yeah,
round.
exactly. Give it up.
And how many teammates you have alongside that work all the way from crew areas all the way to deck F-16?
How many did you say?
280. 280.
281.
Yes.
281. No, actually 333.
333. Let's
So
give them a
plus
round of
the,
applause.
so 333 plus the chef is 280. Okay, I failed mathematics.
Okay.
Plus the
Bar.
bar.
Oh, yeah.
So we are 782, I think. So actually the food and beverage department, ladies and gentlemen, rules.
But we have our
Yes.
our boss right there.
Oh yes,
He's in
yes,
charge
please,
for-
yes. Ladies and gentlemen, please, our boss, ladies and
Yeah.
gentlemen, give a nice applause to our FOB director.
He's in
Hi,
charge for
people.
he's in charge for all 720.
All 700, yes.
Yes. Okay, all right. I think I should leave you all to what you'll do the best. But
Okay.
you away from the knife so you can stand right here.
I stay here.
Okay. all
Okay,
right.
thank you.
Thank you. You have a
Alvin,
wonderful
you did a
time.
Great
Enjoy.
job. But I need that glass. I need that glasses. No. Oh my God. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a nice show, and we're going to preparing some of the dishes which was served during this cruise. When we start first with our, no, we were here in Alaska. No, everything is about fresh ingredients, and we have the fresh salmon, we have the fresh halibut, we have the cod. Everything is a local process, and we have here right now fresh. And I'm going to do the gravlax just here in front of
Gravlax?
you. Yeah, and I'm going to help me to cook some pasta.
Some pasta,
You know how to
yes.
cook the pasta, no?
You tell me.
No,
Hello,
no,
Mama.
you told me you know.
Hello.
What you doing?
I'm from South Africa, smoke signals. Hello.
Oh, okay, it's okay. Okay.
But,
What the mama say?
hello.
Oh, okay, that's it. Okay.
But there's only one
some
G
signal,
here.
some signal. Huh? Okay, now I'm going to preparing some of the famous gravlax, and I have right here the ingredients. I start with the equal quantity of sugar and salt. We have the herbs, I have the mint, I have the dill, pink peppercorns.
But you know what, Chef?
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know when you leave after here, the chef have a beautiful gully tour. You're gonna see everything in the gully. But when you go around there, pass by the Effie shop, they have a surprise for you.
Yeah,
A
it's
gift.
right there. You know?
Yeah, they have
you
some-
know what? I
Yeah.
don't tell him. My family is right here.
Where is your wife?
I don't
Ah, there is your wife. Please, darling, stand up.
My God, really?
Stand up, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the chef's wife is
Oh,
here.
it is.
No, there is the wife.
I know that I just go to the Epis and he promised a nice discount. I say, Chef,
Yeah.
only for all the guests I have a beautiful discount, and it's right here.
Yeah.
And don't miss that opportunity. Just for today, the Epis will give you a beautiful discount.
Okay,
He
Chef.
promised me as well, no?
Yeah.
Okay, even for me. Huh? My
Listen,
God.
Chef, we have to be careful because your wife is now here. I
Okay,
forgot
my
actually.
God. Okay, I pretend very nice. Okay.
Okay, Chef, what you do now, Grafla?
Okay, now I'm going to gravlax. I'm going to put the ingredients right here. I have the quantity equal sugar and salt. I have the pink peppercorn. I have the mint. I have the dills. I'm going to mix all together. But you're going to cook the pasta. You make it al dente pasta. You know how to cook al dente pasta, no? Okay. Okay, you're going to put a little bit salt in the water, yeah? Just a little bit salt in the water, yeah? Okay. A little bit, yeah? Okay.
A little bit.
So what you doing?
No, it's fine. Salt, Alaskan sea, salt.
Oh my God, you have even under that. What you doing now? Okay. Okay, now I'm going to marinate a little bit with the lemon juice and the orange juice right here. Yeah. Nice marinations. I need the salt and then a little bit. I need a little bit of the alcohol. I'm going to have a little bit of Grey Goose right here. Yeah. Just a touch. Yeah. Leave it. What are you doing now? Oh my God. What are you doing?
Okay, everybody relax. 5-second rule.
Kitchen tour. Kitchen in the cruise. Ayan, nagpiprepare sila. Yan ang kung paano luto ang aming mga dito sa cruise ship. Hello! 11! Oh, that's cute. Hi! Never-ending cooking for us. And mga curving. Mga curving ng mga design nila. Mga Filipino po. Hello. Ayan, yung mga ano dito lutuan sa cruise ship. That is lemon cake.
Green crust, sweet dough, croissant.
When are you guys
Only
coming?
chop, just all of you just wait this one. We can start now.
Thank you. They look beautiful.
Vanilla cake. Fruit tart. Wow, huge. Huge fruit tart. What is this? I guess this is chocolate cake. Pineapple cake. Wow. It's amazing. This is the pineapple cake. See if there's basically these are all the cakes. Banana cake. Tiramisu. One of my favorite cake. Tiramisu. It's really good. See, there's even a name on the top of it. What is this? Vanilla profiteroles. I don't know if I pronounce correctly for this. Vanilla. And this is pastry extravagance majestic. So maybe this is the signature in our cruise ship. New York cheesecake. And this is the Black Forest that it was making earlier with the chef. These are all the red, different kinds of color. These are all display only. It's not edible. That's pretty much it.
Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go. 'Cause I'm leaving on majestic, leaving on majestic, leaving on majestic. All my bags are packed.